Hello everyone. Today we discuss about similar triangles. So at first we also learned about the triangles. You are familiar with the triangles and many of their properties from your earlier classes. In class 9, you have studied congruence of triangles in details. Recall that two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same sides. है ना. In these chapters we shall study about those figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same side. The two figures having the same shape are called the similar triangles. Okay. So at first basic concept, similar triangle, basic concept of flow charts, triangles, similarity, what do you mean by similarity, है ना. And criteria of similarity, and right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem, and the ratio of the area of the two similar triangle is equal to then what is the area, है ना. criteria of similarity में A similarity, SS similarity and SA similarity. तो at first we discuss about the similarity. So two geometrical figures having the same shape and size are known as the congruent figures. But geometrical figures having the same shape but different sizes are known as the similar figures. Note, any two line segments are always similar but they are not congruent. They are congruent if their length are equal. Similar, two circles are similar but not necessarily congruent. They are congruent if their radii are equal. And any two squares are similar, any two equilateral triangles are similar. So similar triangle, what do we mean similar triangle? The two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if these are similar, then this is the notation of similarity. So angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Two triangles ABC and DF similar if angle A angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Now first theorems, Thales theorem. This is the important theorems. तो बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम और थेल्स थ्योरम, और statement if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. No? So given ABC is a triangle in which DE parallel to BC, D parallel to BC and intersect AB at D and AC at E to prove AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Construction, join DC BE, है ना, and also we draw EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to AC. Okay, now since EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to, so that area of triangle AD 1 by 2 into base into height, so 1 by 2 multiply AD multiply EF, है ना. area of triangle DBE equal to 1 by 2 multiply DB multiply EF, so that area of triangle AD but area of triangle DB 1 by 2 AD multiply EF by 1 by 2 AD multiply EF, that is AD beta DB. Similarly, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC equal to AE by EC. But we know that triangle DBE and triangle DEC lie on the same base D and same parallel line D and BC. Triangle DBE and DEC are on the same base and same base B and between the same parallels D and BC, so that area of triangle DBE equal to area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle AD by area of triangle DB equal to area of triangle AD by area of triangle DC. है ना, एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AD बटा AD बटा DB एंड AE बटा AC, सो दैट AD बटा DB इक्वल टू AE बटा EC. कोरोलरी पार्ट. तो कोरोलरी पार्ट, if in a triangle ABC a line D parallel to BC intersects AB at D and AC at E, then to prove that AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Second, AB by AD equal to AC by AE. So how can you prove? So from the basic property theorem or Thales theorem, AD बटा AB equal to A बटा EC, AD DB बटा AD equal to EC बटा AE, adding 1 on both sides, then 1 plus DB by AD equal to 1 plus EC बटा AE. तो AD plus DB by AD equal to AE plus EC by AE. तो AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Similarly, AD by DB equal to A beta AC, adding 1 on both sides, then we get AD by DB plus 1 equal to A by EC plus 1. AD plus DB by DB, AE plus EC by EC. So AD by DB equal to AC by EC. Okay. Second theorem, converse of basic property theorem or Thales theorem. The statement, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to third sides. तो इन ट्रायंगल ABC में a line L intersecting AB at D and AE at E, such that AD by DB equal to AE by EC, then to prove that DE parallel to BC. तो if possible let DE is not parallel to BC, then there must be another line parallel to BC. तो suppose DF parallel to BC. If DF parallel to BC, then AD by DB equal to A by BC by basic proportionality theorem. But AD bata DB equal to A bata EC given, so that AF by FC equal to AE by EC, adding 1 on both sides, AF by FC plus 1 equal to AE by EC plus 1. AF plus FC by FC, AE plus EC by EC, AC by FC equal to AC by EC. Therefore, FC बराबर EC. The FC equal to EC. This is the possible when EF and E coincides. So hence D parallel to BC. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.